Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren, this is Casey. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today we are bringing the world to your table with some air fryer appetizers.
That's right, Lauren. Today we're making fried pickles and, drum roll, fried cheese curds.
Yes,
All
seriously, we're not joking.
No.
This is real.
It's happening.
These are typical things you'd see on an appetizer platter at a bar or a restaurant. So today we're making them in the air fryer, a little bit better for you, but still amazing.
Yes.
Good.
So excited. All right, so to start, we've just got some regular whole pickles. I'm going to slice these in slices that are about 1/4 of an inch thick.
And while Casey is doing that, I'm going to get started on our breading. So we're mixing together some grated Parmesan cheese. We've got some breadcrumbs and then some dill. And I'm just going to kind of mix this together. And the reason that we are slicing our own pickles and not buying the actual slices, you can use those. We found when we tested this recipe that having them be a little bit thicker made them turn out a little bit better. They have less water content too, which all yields to a crispier fried pickle, which is really what we're looking for.
Right. All right, so I will move these over to our plate now, which is lined with a Viva paper towel. And as Lauren said, we're just going to try to get these patted down a little bit so there isn't too much moisture, so they fry up nice and crispy.
Yes, so just trying to get some of that extra water content out.
All right.
Nice. So from here, we are going to start breading. So what we're going to do is I've already washed my hands. We're going to take our pickle slice, dip it in some of the egg wash. This is just an egg all whisked together, and then really get it coated in the breading.
That's the crispy.
And what we have over here, can you open this
Yep,
for me?
Of course.
I didn't think about that.
There we go.
We were preheating our air fryer because we want it nice and hot. We've already sprayed it too with a little bit of oil. So it is hot now. I'm going to put our slices in here and just keep going to town.
And if you wanted to use a different kind of breadcrumb, you certainly could, like a gluten-free. You can kind of make it your own.
Oh, yes.
In different ways.
All right, this looks good.
Yes.
So Casey, I'll have you push it back in. And this is gonna cook they're gonna cook for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, just check on them. We'll flip them at that time. But really with the air fryer, it's important to keep an eye on it because it does cook pretty quickly. So it's just like an oven. You can continue to open it up, check on it, and push it back in if it's not quite done. So we'll let those go.
Great.
All right, so our fried pickles should be done, and they are. You see them?
Oh, they look and sound crispy.
Yes, look at they're just coming right out here. They look so good.
We were talking about too how since they're not overcrowded, they cooked more quickly.
Yes. So depending on how much you have in your air fryer basket will really dictate how long it will take to cook them. Gotta get every last one out here.
Of course.
All right. Oh, got one more back here. Nice. So let's give them a try. This one looks good. We're dipping in ketchup, but of course you could do whatever you have on hand at home. Your favorite dips. So good.
I love pickles. Add some breading, makes them even better.
Yes, and we use the air fryer. Delicious.
Very good.
All right, and move our platter over for now. So we can get going on our cheese curds.
Right, so to start out, we are just going to whisk together some egg and milk.
And I'm gonna respray our basket here, just to again make sure nothing sticks. Don't need too much, just a little spray.
All right, set up your station over here again.
Yes. So, with our cheese curds, we have some flour, our egg and milk that Casey just whisked together here, and then our breadcrumbs. Open up our basket again. And we're going to take, just picking some of the, obviously like the larger curds, I'm going to drench in our flour, then our egg mixture, and then our breadcrumbs.
That flour is really going to help everything kind of stick together and also make it just a little extra crispy.
Yes. So this is kind of a fun activity you can do at home. The air fryer really is pretty necessary for these. We haven't tried baking them. I'm sure you could bake them. They probably just wouldn't be quite as crispy.
Sure.
But something, if you do have an air fryer at home, to definitely try. And then it's the same process. So we will cook these on one side for about 3 minutes, and then we will flip, so about 6 minutes total.
All right.
Actually, I might be able to get it now. So we'll let these cook. All right, so these should be good to go. Let's check on them. Oh, yes.
My goodness.
So you can tell they're good to go when they become a little bubbly, as you can see. Now, there's not a ton of breading on them. So what we could have done, if you want more breading, ooh, that one's a little.
Yeah.
Is we could have gone through and like double bread them basically. So we could have gone through and done the flour again with the egg. So basically two coats of the breading.
Sure. But these look.
They're still gonna be amazing.
Yes.
So
gooey.
yes, but that is an option for all these things to go through and do the breading again. Ooh.
All right. Let's give these a try.
Yes.
Little one here.
Yeah. Are you gonna dip?
Mm-mm.
Okay. I am. Oh my gosh. So good.
That's how you tell they're good cheese curds, when they like are stringy. Love it.
Oh, we hope you try one of these air fry appetizers and let us know which one's your favorite.
And for more recipes and resources from your Mealtime Mentors, visit festfoods.com.